how are you? I hope you're fine wherever you are watching me from. Welcome again to another vlog. My name is Lucia. I welcome you all to today's vlog. Feel much appreciated wherever you are. As for us, we are doing okay. We are here with the kids, and the man of the house hasn't arrived yet. So right now it's 6:25 p.m. It's almost 7 p.m. and it's time for me to prepare supper. So I want to prepare supper with you guys. So karibuni sana and mbarikiwe. Mbarikiwe, be blessed. Be blessed. So first thing first, let me nirudishe curtains and then we go to the kitchen so that we can prepare a very delicious meal. As you can see, I think I'm sweating. I'm from the shop. I came from the shop right now. I went to buy some vegetables and also to buy a liver that I'm going to prepare today. So I had a bike. So that's why I'm sweating. I'm really sweating. Riding a bike, it's a really tough. It's a full body exercise. Yeah, it's a full body exercise. First thing first, let me show you what I bought. Not much, but just few things that I'm going to cook right now. I hope you had a fantastic day. As for us here, we are good. As I told you that I was alone here as usual. So this is the liver. This is the liver I bought. Acha nitoanisha so that I can. Should I boil? No, I'll not boil. I'll show you how I cook my liver. Okay. So this is my sufuria that I'm going to use. All right. So this is the liver. liver. Yeah, today I felt like having liver. I don't know when I had liver. I don't know. Sijui ni lini. When was the last time you ate liver? You ate. Ulikulanga. So I bought this liver. This is for 300 bob. These are greens. And we have this one. This is just pilipili hoho and onions. So let's start cooking, guys. I'm just going to add a little bit of water lichemuke kidogo and then I'll karanga it. Nikarange vizuri sana. Okay, then hii so that you can see me very well. Okay, so I'm going to cook very fast. As you know me, I cook very fast. I cook with three, like if I have 3 foods, napika tu haraka. I'm going to add salt to taste. Nothing else. Let me add ginger. Then you add the ginger kidogo, like that way. Hivyo sasa. So the next thing I'm going to cover like that way, and then we prepare the vegetables. So with the vegetables, I'm going to use this one and prepare 1 onion only. This one. This is my onion. Kitungu. So let me peel it. I'm not going to add tomatoes in my vegetables because I will put tomatoes in my liver. So I don't like a lot of them. Spendi nyanya mingi. I've been here today just doing my own thing. And then I decided I go out and ride a bike and then buy supper. And here I am, guys. Here I am. So this is the onion. Let me put it here, or I put it right there, and then so let me add cooking oil. That's cooking oil. So that's it. That's it. That's it, guys. Look who is here. Salimia watu.
Hii ni Olivia.
Salimia watu.
Hii ni Olivia. Hi guys.
Ndio kufika.
Yes, from
Ndio
one is back
kudojo.
from work.
You're back from work with some goodies. Wow. Alvin, show me yours. Let me see. Olivia, show me yours. Wow. Sophia and who? Sophia the first. And Alvin, let me see yours. You don't want to show me? Okay, Spider-Man. Wow. Wow. And what do you say? So guys, we are done with our supper. We are full now, and we are right here watching a cartoon. So right now it's 9. Can you see the time? It's 9 p.m. Alvin has already worn his dangare. Alvin, how are you? You are fine. So he has already worn his dangare, ready to go to sleep. As for me, I'm just here, and the others are just there. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Kindly remember to subscribe to this channel. Alright, so from us it's a bye-bye. See you on the other one. Bye-bye. Say, Alvin, say bye-bye.
Bye.
See y'all.
See you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I want